Good morning. Welcome to NCA. So today in Sainik class, we're going to take a maths class about a previous year question paper. Okay. So the first question is, a boat is flowing in still water at the speed of 18 kilometer per hour. The speed of boat in meter per second. Okay. The question is, so they given a question in a kilometer per hour. Okay. So pointing out the units. So here kilometer per hour. They asked the question answer in meter per second. Okay. So I'm going to find the answers in meter per second. Okay. So the question is 18 kilometer per hour. Okay. We know that 1 kilometer equal to how much meters? 1000 meter, right? Okay. And also 1 hour equal to how many seconds? 60 into 60 with that is so 60 into 60, which is 3600 seconds, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to convert these kilometer and hour into meter and second. Okay. How it means? So 18 into, so this is kilometer, right? So what is the conversion into meter? Into 1000 means we convert into meter, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm putting 1000 here because I'm going to convert this unit as meter divided by, because per hour, right? Per hour means divided by. So I'm going to convert into seconds. So 60 into 60. Either you can use it as 60 into 60 or 3600. So it is easy to use 60 into 60 to cancel the terms. Okay. So 18 into, so kilometer means I'm going to convert in meters, so 1000. In hour, I'm going to convert this into seconds. So I'm putting 60 into 60. Understand? So I'm going to cancel this 0 from this 0 and this also. Okay. Finally, what I'm having here, 18 into 10 divided by 6 into 6, right? 18 into 10 divided by 6 into 6. So I'm cancelling it by 6 table. 3 6 are 18, 1 6 are 6. Okay, finally what I have, I'm also cancel these also. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So 10 by,
2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10.
yeah. So whatever may be, I have cancelled it by, here I'm by 3 tables. So I'm 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Finally, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. The answer is 5 meter per second. Okay, 5 meter per second.
Okay, ma'am.
So the question asked as kilometer per hour. I'm going to convert this in meter per second. So I'm taking 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Okay. So here is the solution. 18 into, so the kilometer is converted into meter as 1000. Into 1000 means it converted. So 1000. Per hour means divided by, so I'm going to convert in seconds. So I'm putting here 60 into 60, right? So 1 0 get cancelled here and another 0 get cancelled here. What I am remaining 18 into 10 divided by 6 into 6, right? So I'm cancelling it by 6 table. So 1 6 are 6, 3 6 are 18. Again I'm cancelling it by 3 table. 1 3s are 3, 3s are 6. So finally, what is remaining here? 10 by 2. So when 10 is divided by 2, we get 5. Understand, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is 5 meter per second. So I'm converting as 5 meter per second. So all should copy it now. Write down.
Ma'am, I could not understand, ma'am.
Okay, which step you didn't understand, ma? From starting itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So listen. The question என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா கிலோமீட்டர் பர் ஹவர்ல கேட்டிருக்காங்க நம்ம மீட்டர் பர் செகண்டுக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ மீட்டர் பர் செகண்ட் கன்வர்ஷன் அப்படின்னா 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1
Yes,
hour
ma'am.
equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Okay. You should know these terms. Then only you can solve this sum. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour equal to 60 into 60 seconds. So I'm going to convert 18 kilometer per hour as meter per second. How it means? So 80 kilometer per hour இருக்குல்ல அதை வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா மீட்டர் per செகண்டுக்கு மாத்த போறோம். அப்போ எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் கிலோமீட்டர் இருக்கோ அங்க நான் என்ன போட போறேன் 1000 போட போறேன். எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் ஹார் இருக்கோ அங்க நான் என்ன போட போறேன் 60 into 60 போட போறேன். ஓகேவா? சோ அப்போ 80 into கிலோமீட்டர் என்ன கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண போறோம் மீட்டர். சோ 1000 divided by ஹார் மீன்ஸ் 60 into 60. So why ஏன் நான் இங்க டிவைடட் பை போடுறேன் அப்படின்னா கிலோமீட்டர் பர் ஹவர் டிவிஷன்ல இருக்கிறதுனா நம்ம டிவிஷன்ல போடுறோம். ஓகேவா? சோ 10 க்கு 10 கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சோ இங்கேயும் 10 க்கு 10 கேன்சல் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஓகேவா? புரிஞ்சு இது வரைக்கும் புரியுதாமா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ரிமைனிங் என்ன இருக்கும் 18 into 10 divided by 6 into 6, right? So 18 6 எந்த டேபிள்ல கிடைக்கும் 6 டேபிள். So 1 6 are 6, 3 6 are 18. Okay. So again 3 6 எந்த டேபிள்ல கிடைக்கும் 3 and 6 which number 3 tables. So 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, right? So remaining என்ன இருக்கும் 10 divided by 2. ஏனா 1 10s are 10, 1 2s are 2. ஓகேவா? So again 10 and 2 எந்த டேபிள்ல டிவைட் ஆகும் 2 table, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So answer is 5. 5 meter per second. So I'm converting kilometer per hour into meter per second.
Ma'am, I could not understand, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know the conversion? This conversion?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. You just learn it. Okay. You just learn it. So try to understand. Okay. So these are the conversions. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Okay. So the day by day classes you get understand. You just learn. Yeah. Are you copied, ma? Shall I move on to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen. The value of 200 degree Fahrenheit in degree Celsius is. Okay, here the unit is given as Fahrenheit. Okay, the unit is given as Fahrenheit. They asking the answer in Celsius. Okay, they asking the answers in Celsius. Understand? So 200 degree Fahrenheit ல இருக்கு answer எப்படி கேக்குறாங்க செல்சியஸ்ல கேக்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா? So Celsius conversion என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா இதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? Use C equal to, so they given as C equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. ஓகேவா? So Fahrenheit ல இருக்கு question வந்து Fahrenheit ல இருக்கு. நம்ம என்ன conversion பண்ண போறோம் Celsius conversion பண்ண போறோம். Okay. So Celsius conversion என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா அவங்களே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க questionல use C equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. ஓகேவா? In the place of F, what you have to put in place of F place ல என்னமா போடணும் 200, right? So in the place of F you have to substitute as 200. That's all. Okay, 5 by 9 in the question itself they have given 5 by 9 F minus 32. Okay, in the place of F I am going to put 200. Okay, do you understand the first step? So 5 by 9 200 minus 32. Okay, So because the value of f is 200, they are given. Right. So then 5 by 9. So what is 200 minus 32? What is 200 minus 32?
168.
158. Very good. 158, right? Okay. Okay. Now, okay. So I'm going to multiply these two numbers, 5 into 168 and get divided by 9. Okay, do you understand this step? 5 by 9. The value of f is 200. Mute yourself. So the value of f is 200 minus 32. Okay. So when 32 get subtracted from 200, we get 168. Do you understand up to this? The
Yes,
next step, I'm going to multiply 5 into 168. So can you do that? 5 into 168. What is the answer?
840, ma'am.
840. Very good. So how it means 5 into 168. Very good. Do you all multiplication, right? Do you know multiplication, right? So 6 8s are 40, balance 4. 6 5s are 30, 34 balance 3. So 1 5s are 5, 840. So I'm going to put here 840. Okay, 840 divided by 9. Okay, so here divided by 9, so I'm putting 9. So what is the next step? You're going to divide these two numbers. Okay, if you want, you're going to get the answer by dividing this number. How means written 840 divided by 9. So I'm going to take 2 digits. Okay, so what is the number? 9 nines are 81, right? In 9 table, in 9 times you get 81, right? So I'm putting 81. What is the remaining? 3. So here 0. How many times? How many times I'm going to get 30 here or less than 30? 3 times, right? 3 nines are 27. So again balance 3. Okay. 30 like 27 minus Achna 3. So point, I'm going to mention point and put 1 0. So again I'm getting 30. So the same 3 times I'm going to get 27. So likewise it will goes on. Okay, you just check the answer. So here having 93.3, right? So I'm getting the answer 93.3 degrees Celsius. I'm converting. Okay. So I'm converted as 9 degrees Celsius as 93.3 degrees Celsius. Okay, what I'm doing here means, so question given as Fahrenheit, they are asking about the conversion Celsius. So in question itself, they are given C equal to F by 9, sorry, 5 by 9 F minus 32. Okay, the value of C, it is given in the question F 5 by 9 F minus 32. Okay, in the place of F, I'm going to substitute 200 because the value of F is 200, right? So here 200 minus 32. Okay, so when I the difference this, I'm getting 168. When I minus 200 and 32, I'm getting 168. So after what I have do, I'm going to multiply these two numbers, 5 into 168. So I'm getting 840. Okay, divided by 9. And when I divide 840 by 9, I got 93.3 degrees Celsius. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All are noted down?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, shall I move on to next one? Completed.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, ma. Okay.
yes, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Okay. So the next question. So listen. Convert 3.75 of 5% by 7.245 of 10% into decimal. Listen. So listen. The question is 3.75 of means multiplication into 5 percentage. If I need to remove the percentage, what I have to do? I'm going to put divided by 100. Okay. So I'm going to remove this percentage. I'm going to divide the number by 100. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Percentage remove பண்ணோம்னா 100 ஆல divide பண்ணிக்கணும். Divided by 100 போட்டுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? Plus 7.25 into half means into 10% means 10 by 100. Okay, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen. Next one is you have to multiply these two numbers. 3.75 into 5. So listen. So you just forget the point, 3 point. Okay. You just forget the points. You just take the whole number. 375 into 5. Okay, I'm going to multiply this number. 5 5s are 25, balance 2. 7 5s are 35. So 37, balance 3. 5 3s are 15. 18, right? So 1875. So here, how many digits after the points? 2 digits, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're going to put the number from last. You just count from last digit 1, 2. So I'm going to put the point here. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Not from this side. You just start from last. So the answer for this 18.75. Here 18.75 divided by 100. Okay. Plus. So listen. When you multiply by 10, 100, so like the 0 came means, what you have to do means simply you take the number 725 and you just put the, how many zeros you're having? Only 1 0, right? You just put the 0. Okay, when the number is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, simply what you have to do means, take the whole number 725 and here only 1 0. So I'm going to put 1 0. You understand from this, up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What next means? So how many digits after the points? 2 digits, right? So you have to count from last 1, 2. So the point is here. So after the points, the 0 doesn't have any value. Okay. After the points, the 0 doesn't have any value. So what is the answer for this? When you multiply this, what you get? 72.5. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by 100. Okay, what I have do from up to this, I'm put 7.35 off means into 5 percentage means 5 by 100 plus 7.25 off means into 10 percentage means 10 by 100. The next step is you have to multiply these two number. Okay, you have to multiply these two number. I got 18.75 divided by 100 plus, so when I multiply this two number, I got 72.5 divided by 100. Okay. So do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next step is when the denominator is same, so we just add the numerator. Okay. The denominator is here also 100, here also 100, right? So I am taking as a common 100. Okay. So now I'm going to add these two number. Okay. I'm going to add this two number. What is that number? 18.75. The another number is 72.5. Okay, 72.5. So if nothing is having here, you just put 0. So what you got? 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. Remainder 1. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Remainder 1. And what is here? 91.25, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to put 91.25. Okay. So what is the next step means? So listen. So 91.25. Okay, I'm just taking the number. And here 20, right? Here having 220. So already they're having 2 digit after the point, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to put the point before to that. So already இங்க ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் டிஜிட் அப்புறம் ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் அப்புறம் ரெண்டு டிஜிட் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா so 100 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது you just move forward the points. So இப்போ இங்க பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா? So you just move the points forward. So how many digit forward? 2 digit because you're having 2 zeros, right? So நான் என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 2 digit தள்ளி பாயிண்ட் வைக்கணும். So already 2 digit வந்து 25ல இருக்கு. So இன்னும் நான் 2 digit forward move பண்ணேன் அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆகும்? இங்க வருமா?
Yes,
ஓகேவா?
ma'am.
பாயிண்ட் தெரியறதுக்காக நான் இங்க ஒரு 0 போட்டுக்கிறேன். சோ அப்ப என்ன வரும்? ஆன்சர் 0.9125. Okay. So do you understand this step? So already பாயிண்ட் அப்புறம் ரெண்டு டிஜிட் இருக்கு. So divided byல 2 zeros 3 zeros அந்த மாதிரி எத்தனை இருந்தாலும் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா அந்த பாயிண்ட்க்கு இன்னும் முன்னாடி ஃபார்வர்டா மூவ் பண்ணிக்கணும். இங்க 2 zeros அப்படின்னா 2 digit இன்னும் ஃபார்வர்டா மூவ் பண்ணி பாயிண்ட ஹோலா வச்சுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? சோ இந்த பாயிண்ட் ஹோலா வச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் எனக்கு இங்க பாயிண்ட் தெரியறதுக்காக நான் இங்க ஒரு 0 போட்டுட்டேன். So the answer is 0.9125. So option C. Okay, do you understand this?
Okay, ma'am. Understand, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 91.25 by 100 one step is there, no, ma'am. That you can do in simple division method, ma'am.
Simple division method.
That we always do, no, ma'am. Before step also you didn't show.
Okay. These you want to solve this step by normal division method, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You just copy down. I just do now. Are you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the question is 91.25 divided by 100, right? So I'm going to divide this number by normal division method. 91.25 divided by 100. So I'm taking 2 digit in. So the 91 is less than 100. So I can't divide this. So I'm taking digit, but here having point, right? So I'm going to put point 0. Okay. So 0 point, I'm taking 3 numbers now. So இங்க பாயிண்ட் 2 digit இருக்கு, இங்க பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு. So நான் என்னால 2 digit divide பண்ண முடியாது. நான் 3 digit எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா இங்க பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு. So I'm mentioning the point 0 point. Okay, now having 912 912. So how many times it get divided by 100? 9 times, right? 9 times 9 into 100 900. Okay, so minus பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 2 times 1 time here 5. Okay, so how many times the 125 get divided by 100? 1 time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 100. Okay, so remaining is 5 2. So already we having I'm putting points, so I'm putting 0 here. So how many times? 2 times 200. Okay, so remaining 50. So I'm putting 0 here. 5 times 500. So the answer is 0.9125. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, okay. We completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Okay, listen. A table was purchased at 1,000 and
Last ma'am.
okay. Listen first. A table was purchased at 1,000 rupees and sold for 800 rupees. What was gain or loss percent in this transaction? Okay. So listen. Here one table was purchased for rupees 1,000. Okay. And sold it for only 800. Okay. This is loss for us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Because the selling price is less than the cost price. So here loss. Okay. So I'm going to find the percentage for this. Okay. Gain or loss percent, here loss. So how it loss means loss equal to, if so how means 1,000 minus 800 equal to 200 is the loss. Okay. Here 1,000 rupees in 800 rupees. So loss 200.
Cost per
Okay. What is the formula for loss percent? Loss divided by
By
into 100.
into 100.
Okay, so the last percentage formula is loss divided by CP into 100. Okay, so what is the loss here? 200. Okay, so I am putting 200 divided by CP means cost price. Cost, what is the cost price? 1,000. Okay, so here 1,000 into 100. Okay, the 20 get cancelled here and again 10 get cancelled here. What is the remaining? 20. So 20 percentage. So what is the loss percent here? 20 percentage. You understand, ma?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. We completed.
No, ma'am. Ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay, listen. Cost of a dozen pin is 180. Okay, cost of a dozen pin. And cost of 8 ball pen is 56. The ratio of cost of a pen to the cost of ball pen. Okay, listen. So what they have given means, so the cost of a dozen pen. Okay, cost of dozen pen. A dozen means how many? Number? 12. Okay, the cost of 12 pen is what? 180, right? So I am going to find the cost of one pen. How? I should divide 180 by 12. Okay. So what I got? So in 6 table it get cancelled, right? 3 6 are 18, 0, 2 6 are 12. Okay. In 6 table I have cancelled it by 6 table. 3 6 are 18, 1 0. Divided by 2 6 are 12. So again I am going to divide this. What I get? 15. So what is the cost of one pen? 15. 1 2s are 2, 15 2s are 30. Okay, let's understand. Okay, the cost of one pen is what? 15. What is the next thing given? Cost of 8 pen is 56. Cost of
8 pins.
pen is 56. I am going to find out for 1 pen.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I didn't understand the cost of 12 pence one division.
Okay. So what does it mean? The cost of 12 pen is totally given as 180 rupees. I am going to find out the cost of 1 pen because they are asking the question for one only. Yeah, pen, yeah, ball. Okay.
Found the answer, ma'am. Option A is
Okay.
the answer, ma'am.
Okay, wait. So I am going to divide these two numbers. Then only I get the answer for 1 pen. If the cost of chocolate for a 10 chocolate is 50, what is the cost of 1 chocolate, ma?
10 rupees. 5 rupees. 5 rupees.
5 rupees, ma'am.
5 rupees. What you did? You divide the number,
5,
right?
ma'am.
Yeah, that's what I asked. So only I divide 180 by 12. Understand? Those what asked out.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So 180 divided by 12, I get 15. Okay. So then here given as cost of 8 ball pen is 56. So I am going to find out for 1 pen. What I have to do? 56 by 8. How many times? In 8 table, how many times 56 come? 7 8s are 56, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the cost of 1 pen is 7 rupees. So they are asking about ratio. Okay, wow. They are asking about ratio. So ratio means the cost of 1 pen is 15. Ratio means is to. Okay, is to the cost of ball pen. Okay, 1 ball pen is 7. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Complete. Shall I move on to next one?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I'm having one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, ma.
Ma'am, in the answer, suppose 14 is to 7 is there, means we can simplify it and write 7 is to 1, ma'am.
Yes. Because these two numbers does not have a common divisor, right? So I'm just 15 is to 7. If having 14 is to 7, I just cancel it by 7 table. So 2 is to 1 answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, listen. The angle of a triangle or in a ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. Find the value of the angles. Okay. So in triangle, what is the angle for a triangle? The sum of the angle triangle is 180, right? Okay, when you add up the angles of the triangle, you get 180. Okay, that 180 is divided in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, so the 1 is to 2 is to 3 I'm taking as x plus 2x plus 3x because they given the ratio as 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, if it is given in a ratio, I'm going to x multiply x. So for 1, I'm going to put x here. For 2, 2x. For 3, 3x. So when I add all these angles, all this number, I get 180. Because the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180. So I add all this number. Understand? Do you understand this step, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is what? If nothing is having a, you just put 1. 1 plus 2, 3, right? 3 plus 3, 6, right? So 6x. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6x. 6x is equal to 180. Okay. The next one is x. So 180 divided by 6. Because it is in multiplication, when it go to another side, get divide. So 1 6 are 6, 3 6 are 18. So 1 0. Understand? So x equal to 30. When you divide 180 by 6, you get 30. Do you understand this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm got the answer x equal to 30 degree. But they are asking all the 3 angles. Okay. All the 3 angles. What is the angle? X, 2x, 3x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the value for x? 30 degree. Okay. 30. What is the value for 2x? 2 into 30. Okay. 2 into 30. What is the value for 3x? 3 into 30. Okay. So here 30. 2 3s are 6. 1 0 is added. And 3 3s are 9. So 0. So what is the answer? 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So where is the answer? Option A. Okay, they given the number in the ratio. I'm putting it x with that x plus 2x plus 3x because sum of the angle of a triangle is 180. So when I add these numbers, I got 6x because 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So 6x equal to 180. So therefore x equal to, so 180 divided by 6, I got 30. Okay, they asking about all the angles. So
Ma'am, adding 30, 60 and 90, we will get 180, ma'am.
yeah, 30, 60, 90 is 180. So that 180 is divided as 1:2:3 ratio. I found out the answer as 30, 60, 90. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, ma.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Oh my God. In which step are you still not complete, ma?
Ma'am, I will just do, ma'am. No need.
Okay, fine. Okay, listen. One number exceeds another number by 36. Okay. So one number exceeds another number means, so one number gets subtracted from another number. I got 36. Exceed means minus.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay, good. Just listen. The sum of the number is 48. So when you add the two numbers, you got 48. So what are the numbers? Okay. So first, I'm taking the two number as x and y. Okay, I'm taking two number as x and y. So here one number exceeds another number, right? Exceeds means minus. Is equal to what? 36. And do you understand this line? One number exceeds another number means x minus y equal to 36. So the next line is the sum of the number means x plus y equal to 48. Okay. So when the same number having different sign, it should get cancelled, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here is y is same, it is in different sign, it get cancelled. So what is the remaining thing? X plus A, 2x is equal to, so you just add up these both numbers. What you got? 84.
84.
Okay. So what is, I'm going to find the value for x. So x equal to 84 divided by 2. So I got, so when it divided by 2, what I got? 48, right? Sorry, 42. 42. Because 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So the value of x is 42. I found out the one number, right? How I'm going to find the next number? So listen, I know the equation is, first equation is x minus y equal to 36, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So either I can use this equation or this equation, whatever. Okay, which one you need to use? This or this?
X minus y. Second one, ma'am. Second one.
Second one. Because okay, I'm going to use second one. Okay, x plus y equal to 48. So what is the value for x? 42, right? 42 plus y equal to 48. So therefore y, I'm going to find y. So y equal to 48. So this 42 go that side means minus 42. So finally I got 42 get subtracted from 48. I got 6, right? So where is the answer? Option C, 42, 6.
Ma'am, if this was, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can find the answer not even by just simply minusing it, just by seeing them and minus.
Yeah. So you can either minus the equation you can get, or simply use the minus first equation you can get. So in many ways you can get the y answer if you find the x answer. Shall I move on to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
So listen here. The length of the rectangle is 5 centimeter more than its breadth. Okay, 5 centimeter more than its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 50 centimeter, then what is the area? Okay, listen. What are the data they are given? The length of the rectangle is 5 centimeter more than its breadth. Okay, so listen. I'm taking breadth as x. Okay, I'm going to take breadth as x because they didn't given the value directly. I'm going to find the values of length and breadth. Okay, so I'm going to take breadth as x. So here the length is given by 5 centimeter more than breadth. 5 centimeter means 5 more than means plus. What is the breadth here? X, right? So x. Do you understand these two steps?
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
taking breadth as x. So the question in length is given by 5 centimeters. So 5 more than means plus breadth. Or what is the value of breadth? X. So 5 plus x. Okay. So now they given perimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Formula
2 into L into B, ma'am.
2 into L plus B.
L plus B, ma'am.
Okay, 2 into L plus B. The perimeter is given by 50 centimeter, right? So I'm going to put 50 here. Okay, is equal to 2 into, what is the value of L? 5 plus x. So 5 plus x plus what is the value of B? X. So x. 50 is equal to 2 into 5 plus, here having 2x, right? So you're going to add this 2x. What you got? 2x. X plus x, 2x. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to divide the number 50 by 2. So that this 2 go here. So 50 divided by 2 equal to 5 plus 2x. Understand? It is in multiplication. When it go to that side, it get divide. The next one. So what is 50 divided by 2? 25, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 25 is equal to 5 plus 2x. So I am going to find the x. So therefore, 2x equal to this 5 goes this side. So 25 minus 5. Okay. So finally, 2x equal to 25 minus 5 what? 20, right?
20.
So x equal to 20 divided by 2. So because the 2 is in multiplication, when it goes this side, divide. So therefore, what x equal to 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I got the answer x equal to 10. Okay. But here asking about area. Okay, here asking about area. So area means, what is the formula for area?
L
L into B. So what here L is 5 plus x, right? I'm going to find out the L. L equal to 5 plus x is equal to, what is the value of x? 10, right?
Yes,
So now only
ma'am.
I found out 10. So it is 50. Okay, breadth is equal to what? Simply x, right? So what is the value of breadth? 10 only. Do you understand how it find?
Yes, ma'am.
So now area equal to, what is the length? 15. What is the breadth? 10 is equal to what? 150. 150 centimeters square. It is important. 150 centimeters square. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, can we do this sum without x?
Can you do this sum by what?
Without x, ma'am.
Without x?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can do, but it will be very confusing, ma'am.
Yeah, if you're using some constant in the sum, it will easily come. If you follow me, if you are familiar with this with that method, you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Completed?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
போயிட்டு வாமா
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after that perimeter step you did, no, ma'am, in that 50 is equal to 2 into 5 plus x plus x.
Yes.
There
Yeah, that
2 into 5 is there, no, ma'am. We can
Yes.
directly multiply that. So 10 will come, ma'am.
So
Why
you have,
are
if you multiply the 2 inside the bracket, you have to multiply all for all this number 10 plus 2x plus 2x. So it is just complicated. So I just keep the 2 aside.
okay, ma'am.
You should not multiply only with 5. You just multiply all the numbers inside the bracket. So it is difficult for us. So you just put the 2 aside and divide and take it to the next side. completed?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
All finished.
Finish, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in the next class, so I'm going to give an individual test for you. So I'm going to give for each one, I have given 2 to 3 questions in the class. I will ask the answers, give time and answers individually. Okay, not the common test for all. I'm going to test individually. So what you have to do means, just go through the sums in the previous class I have teach and today classes. You just go through. In this model, I will ask, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Individually, I will give the question and I will give time and ask the answers. So everybody should get ready, okay? And be prepared.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, listen this sum. So listen. The temperature dropped to 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 days. If the rate of temperature drops remains the same, how many degrees will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? Okay, listen. So they given us the temperature dropped to 15 degrees Celsius. Okay. So some temperature is dropped, which is denoted as 15 degrees Celsius for 30 days. So it's like a number of chocolates like that. So what is the cost of 50 chocolates? I'm asking no. So like that price it is given. So for 30 days, so 15 degrees. So the temperature is 15 degree. Okay. For 30 days, the temperature is 15 degree. Okay. For 1 day, what you have to do?
50 by 15.
What? 15 by 30, right?
30, yes, ma'am.
For 1 day, 15 by 30. So 1 15s are 15, 2 15s are 30, right? 1 by 2. For 1 day, 1 by 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, if the rate of temperature drops remains the same, how many degrees the temperature drop in the next 10 days? They are asking the question for next 10 days and also
5
mentioned as,
degrees, ma'am. 5 degrees.
yeah, and also mentioned it is remains the same. They didn't change the temperature. So for 10 days means 10 into 1 by 2.
5
For
degrees.
days, for 10 days, 10 into 1 by 2. Okay. So so what I,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I didn't understand for 1 day one.
Okay. So listen. So the before itself, I told the cost of 50 chocolate is, sorry, the cost of, I'm getting smaller number. The cost of 10 chocolate is 50. Okay, the cost of 10 chocolate is 50. What is the cost of 1 chocolate?
5.
5. What you did? 10 by 50 by 10, right? So you got 5. So like that, for 30 days, the temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Okay. For 1 day, what you have to do? You have to divide this two number, right? What you have to did here? Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 15 by 30, so 1 by 2. So now I find so just listen here. So the cost of 10 chocolate is 50, the cost of 1 chocolate is 5. I am going to find the cost of 5 chocolate. What I have to do? Multiply, right? 5 into 5, 25. So likewise, here asking about 10 days. So I multiply 10 into 1 by 2. So what I for 1 day, 1 by 2, right? So I multiply here. Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
So 10 ones are 10, 10 divided by 2. So what you got? 5. So 5 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, once again, please, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
மேம் கூப்பிட்டீங்களா?
Yes, ma'am. Class இதோட முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, I'm having a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am,
What, ma'am?
can you teach this sum, ma'am?
You completed this sum? Are you completed, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am? Ma'am, class முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, ma'am.
ஓகேம்மா, என் பண்ணிக்கலாமா?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks and bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you,
Jai
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bharat.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.
Jai Bharat. Thanks and bye.
ஓகேம்மா,
டவுட் காலையிலேயே போன் பண்ணா அடிக்க வேண்டியது.
ஓகேம்மா, என் பண்ணிக்கலாமா?
பாத்துட்டு